Hi everybody and welcome to our meeting. This sprint, we completed the Solution Evaluation Knowledge Area. The BACCM lays out the usage and application of the 6 core concepts utilized by myself during the Solution Evaluation Sprint. They are the need, change, solution, value, context, and stakeholders. We completed Sprint 6 Solution Evaluation. This report will describe the tasks used to assess the performances of and values delivered by a solution and to recommend improvements on increasing values. The tasks for this knowledge area are measure solution performances, analyze performance measures, assess solution limitations, assess enterprise limitations, and recommend actions to increase solution value. The techniques we used for these tasks were the focus group, metrics and key performance indicators, the root cause analysis using the 5 whys, document analysis, and financial analysis. Our stakeholders are the individuals that we have that have a relationship to the change, the need, or the solution. Our first task was measure solution performance. The purpose of this was to evaluate the effectiveness of the smart and eco-conscious options newly deployed and determine the value they bring to the company. We used the focus group technique for this task. The focus group objective was to provide feedback, options, subjective assessments, insights, and impressions of the solution features. Based on these groups' ideas, the company can determine if they want to update the selected options, uncover if there's any new requirements for the solution, determine if they want to change any marketing positions, and look for trends in the responses. The next task area is the analyze performance measures. This task was to provide insights into performance of the solution in relationship to the value it brings. For this task, we use the metrics and key performance indicators technique. Some of the KPIs that we used were the supplier performance score. This reflects the punctuality and cost competitiveness of our suppliers. Then there was the wasted material. This is the tracking the amount of material that is wasted during the normal cost production. This KPI offers both environmental and efficiency focused measurements. The waste recycled is the volume of waste recycled by an organization for a defined period. This KPI helps the company meet our green strategy. Then we have the customer satisfaction for both how they can rate the tech-savvy options and eco-conscious options. And finally, the construction schedule variance. This is discrepancy between the actual construction to date against the construction scheduled. Next, we have the assess solution limitations task. This was to determine the factors internal to the solution that restrict the full realization of a value. For this, the root cause analysis 5 why methods was utilized. This demonstrated the process of repeatedly asking why in an attempt to get to the root cause of the problem and enable the stakeholders to specify an effective solution. The next task area was assess enterprise limitations. This is to gain an understanding of the culture, operations, and structure of the organization in order to determine how the factors external to the solution are restricting value realization. An operational assessment was performed using the document analysis technique. We reviewed policies and procedures, skill and training needs, and tools and technology that support the solution from public and proprietary sources, verifying source content is relevant, current, and credible. The last task is to recommend actions to increase value. This is to understand the factors that create differences between potential value and actual value, and to recommend a course of action to align them. The 2 plans that we assessed the potential costs and benefits of the change were getting the ENERGY STAR certification and the modified LEED certification. The ENERGY STAR certification consists of the costs and benefits to add the 5 approved tech-savvy options. The modified LEED certification includes the ENERGY STAR requirements and initial steps to work towards that LEED certification. In conclusion, the solution evaluation knowledge area, we looked for the trends in the responses from the focus group, used KPIs and metrics to help the stakeholders to understand the solution's value, identified a solution limitation from the marketing brochure that was limiting the value of the selected tech-savvy options, and determined that the employees needed training on lean principles to understand the process needed to create greater value for the customers while using fewer resources to become LEED certified. Based on the information gathered, the recommended solution to increase solution value for the company are to have the ENERGY STAR certified along with installing the 5 approved tech-savvy options, and to incorporate steps to work towards LED certification to enhance our solution. This concludes our meeting. Unless anyone has any questions, comments, or concerns on the solution evaluation area. Also this time, I'd like to thank everybody for all their input we had for the project, and I look forward to starting a new project and working efficiently again.